Will these layers become the Damascus pattern?
Will the furnace transform these cold billets?
It's bright in there. It's HOT. This is extreme temperature, maximum intensity.
Prediction validation begins. The furnace is working. What temperature will it reach?
Temperature IS rising.
The steel is now a light source, not just reflecting light. Brain predicted it will get hotter. Reality, it did. The furnace is powerful. This is extreme.
Peak moment. This is beautiful. This is extreme. This is ready.
This object is so hot it lights up everything. Now forging begins.
Rotating for optimal deformation angle.
Is it breaking?
Will the quenching harden the steel?
Extreme heat is being quenched, intensity sustained, transformation ongoing.
The transformation is complete. The blade is now different.
Something important is about to be revealed. Will the Damascus pattern appear? Something is about to be revealed through chemistry. Will the pattern emerge?
The pattern exists. It's appearing. Chemistry works.
The pattern is real. It's beautiful. The blade is perfect. The blade is PE perfect. We did it. The blade will be perfect.